My name is Mike Williams, and I'm the owner of No Limits Fitness in West Melbourne, Florida. We help busy professionals lose weight, get stronger, and have more energy so they can live the life of their dreams, even if they've tried before and failed. However, we aren't for everyone. No Limits Fitness is for the person who wants to be one in a million, not one of a million. Not everyone genuinely wants the accountability that helps keep them on track to reaching their goals. The best performers in any area of life all have one thing in common. They all have a coach. If you truly want to take your fitness and your life to the next level, we have a team of coaches ready to be in your corner. Regardless of where you are on your fitness journey, our team of experienced coaches are here to help you reach your goals. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The next best time to get started is today. Click on the button below, fill out the form, and a friendly member of our team will be in touch.